welcome to Photography Tips for Crafters. Today we're going to teach you a few tips and tricks on how to photograph your projects using natural light. When shooting a card standing up, place a makeup sponge behind it to keep it from sliding back. This helps keep the card upright in camera. Using a piece of foam core can help brighten the shadows. You can use an A-clamp or spring clamp to make a makeshift stand. Your phone has a nifty tool to help you take a more appealing photo. Go to your camera settings and turn on the grid. This helps you compose your image. Tap your screen to bring up the exposure box. Slide your finger up and down to adjust the exposure. Be careful not to go too bright or too dark. When shooting, try to stay straight onto your project. Phone cameras are wide-angle lenses which tend to distort the shape of things. Most phones will need to get pretty close to fill the frame. The closer the camera, the more distortion you will have. Be careful not to overprop or use distracting props. The project should be the focus. Notice that your eyes are drawn directly to the black globe instead of your project. When doing flat lays, you might need to get closer to the light source. Avoid using overhead light. You will get shadows from your body over the image. Instead, look for directional light that comes from the side. Try shooting with and without a fill card. Sometimes the shadows are perfect. For this card, I wanted a light beachy vibe, so I put the fill card back in. The fill card won't eliminate shadows completely, just soften them a bit. I love using FSJ product in my flat lays. It's a great prop and I've already got it on hand and it matches my project. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Okay, thanks, bye!